A full moon has heightened energy and is perfect for promoting hair growth. It is also an amazing time to cleanse and release any and all energies that are of disservice to us. Upon this full moon, I wish to cleanse my crown and detangle my thoughts. And that is why I am choosing Morrocco Method's Zen Detox Hair and Scalp Mask to be a part of my intention. The Zen Detox Hair and Scalp Mask is a unique formula of wildcrafted clays, minerals, and herbs created to detoxify the hair follicles, roots, oil glands, and scalp. One of the main ingredients in this mask is bentonite clay, and it is responsible for cleansing the hair without stripping away natural oils. This hair mask dynamically assists in reversing chemical damage caused by the environment in past use of synthetic hair products. Like a werewolf, may you find your strength and vitality, and manifest long, luscious locks upon this full moon with Morrocco Method.